In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website on Weebly in 2025. This is a full tutorial, and we'll do our best to cover everything you need in just 5 minutes. So whether you're a seasoned online seller or a newcomer to the e-commerce world, this easy and straightforward guide is for you. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to Weebly's homepage. If you haven't been there before, Weebly is a user-friendly platform that allows you to build a website with ease. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled My Site. Go ahead and click on that to access your site management area. Now that you're in the site management area, you'll see an option to add site. Clicking here allows you to start creating a new site. You'll then be prompted with several options. You want to choose I need a website with an online store, since we're creating an e-commerce website. This selection will guide Weebly to provide you with the necessary tools and features tailored for an online store. The next step is to type in the name of your store. Think about what reflects your brand or business best. Once you've decided on a catchy and descriptive name, type it in and then click Continue. It's important here to pick something memorable and relevant to what you are selling, as this will be part of your online identity. After you've named your store, Weebly will ask if you're currently selling products. Click on Yes, I'm currently selling. This helps ensure that the platform tailors the features to fit your immediate needs. Following this, you'll have to specify your sales channel. Select I'm selling online only to focus on creating an online presence without worrying about a physical storefront. Next up is choosing the type of items you want to sell. Weebly offers various options, so pick the one that closely matches your products. This can help streamline your website's design and functionality to suit your inventory. Now click Continue to move forward. Weebly may ask for your location next. This information helps in setting up elements like currency and shipping options. Once you've entered your location and any other requested information, click Continue again. You'll then arrive at the design phase. Click on Design Now to start crafting the look of your online store. Weebly offers a variety of templates, so choose one that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Keep in mind that a clean, professional look will enhance visitor experience and potentially boost sales. Once you've selected your template, the option to start editing will appear. Click here to begin customizing your site. You can modify text, swap images, and rearrange elements until the site aligns with your vision. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've set up your very own e-commerce website on Weebly. Now that your store is ready, you can focus on what you do best, selling your amazing products online. And thanks for watching and happy selling.